So, this was how my desktop used to look. Plain old good Windows 10. First, I was using the Bing wallpaper app. It was good, it is still good, but I got bored on how it looks. So I decided to spice things up. Went on Google, got a bunch of apps, tested everything, uninstalled which was not good. And after some deliberate calibration and some sweat, I was able to come to this. Of course, it would be unfair to take up all the credits. I took reference from one or two good YouTubers, and I was finally able to make this masterpiece. Alright, enough of the intro, or maybe just a little bit more. Let's jump right to how you can make this possible on your PC. A friendly reminder, do pause this video at each step and do the process if you plan to do it right away. Let's get started. Let's make the taskbar icons appear center. First, right click on the taskbar. Go to News and Interest and see if it is turned off. Then go to Toolbars and click on Links. Now, click and hold the links and bring it to the right. Then move the icons to the center. And note that when you lock your taskbar, the icons move slightly to the left. So adjust it accordingly before locking the taskbar. Then let's go to the wallpaper. I have placed the link in the description from where you can download it. Let's hide the icons. Then let's download the Rainmeter app. Don't worry, I have placed it in the description box below. Hit on download and click on open. This will install the app on your PC. You can access the app from the system tray. Now there are a couple more things to be downloaded to get the final look. For that, we need to go to DeviantArt and the Fountain of Colors. I will leave the links to all the sites mentioned here below in the description box. Hit on the download button and it will install the app on your PC. This is a lightweight app and doesn't occupy much of your RAM. Now you can see the dotted lines on your desktop, which is the visualizer. You can load and unload it on your Rainmeter app like this. Let me play some songs and show you. See, the visualizer is doing its thing. Okay, let's get back to work. And by the way, if you are enjoying the video, a sub to the channel would be phenomenal. You'll need to download the zipped file called Layer 1 from the link below. This provides the layer on top of the background. Now download it, unzip it. Go to Documents, Rainmeter, and inside Skins, you have to place the unzipped file. Now open the file and open the config file in Notepad. Here you need to enter the resolution of your monitor screen, the height and the width. For me it's 1280 and 720, so I changed it. Now save the file and then go to Rainmeter app. Go to Layer 1 folder and click on the layer.ini. Click on Load. Now you can see the magic here. There are certain changes that needs to be done in the Rainmeter settings for the layer.ini. You can follow through the video and make all those changes in your app. Now you're all set. Go to the same DeviantArt again. We need a date and time skin. And again, the link is placed in the description below. Click on download and install it. Go to the Rainmeter app. Go to the limit folder. Under time, you can see clock. Click on the INI file and click on load. For this also, do the similar changes. You can change the coordinates, or you can also drag on the desktop to change the position of the clock. There is one last thing before we reach the final look. Let's make the taskbar transparent. Download and install it. Let's go to Start. Click on Translucent TB and you're all done. You can toggle with its settings by right-clicking on its icon in the system tray. And guess what? You now have the most attractive Windows setup. Try it out and comment down below how you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and share it with your friends. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. My name is Sanosh, this is Starboy, and I'll see you in the next one. And as always, keep it real.